In addition to the many built-in controllers that ship with the Agile Cloud Manager, you can also create custom controllers. This video will show you how a custom controller fits into the Agile Cloud Manager's workflow. And once we've reviewed the workflow, then we'll explain what a custom controller can do for you. As you recall from other slides, the workflow for the Agile Cloud Manager begins with any pipeline tool. Now, you can also, of course, use a dev box during the development phase. You can run it from your laptop. You can run it from a virtual machine someplace. But by the time you get into your CI/CD pipeline, any pipeline tool is going to be the source of the initiation of each run of the Agile Cloud Manager. The pipeline tools run command line interface commands, which trigger algorithms in the Agile Cloud Manager that rely upon configuration files that are appliance configuration files and system configuration files. And at that phase in the workflow, once the configuration files are being orchestrated by the Agile Cloud Manager's automation algorithms, that's where the controllers come in. And the Agile Cloud Manager comes with many built-in controllers for tools like Terraform, Packer, CloudFormation, and ARM templates. However, in addition to the many built-in controllers, you may find that you want to develop a custom controller that has your own custom logic that does things that are not done by the built-in controllers, or that does things differently than the built-in controllers work. And a custom controller can enable you to use your own custom logic within the workflow that's provided by the Agile Cloud Manager within the standardized interfaces that the Agile Cloud Manager provides. So the custom controller reaches out to any other tool that you might have to control any other type of basic building block that you might have. And by orchestrating those, you're able to produce a resulting cloud appliance with your own custom logic. Custom controllers are very easy to create with the Agile Cloud Manager. There are several demos that ship with the Agile Cloud Manager at agilecloudinstitute.io. We have a Getting Started for Engineers section that takes you through the steps that your engineers can follow in order to start running our demos. And one of the demos is for a custom controller that's essentially a shell you can use for your development process. The custom controller has a standardized application programming interface, API, and inside that API is a place where you can put your logic, and you can download and use the working demo of a custom controller that ships with the Agile Cloud Manager at agilecloudinstitute.io. And you can plug your own custom logic in just to jumpstart your development process. So custom controllers are very easy to create, and custom controllers enable the Agile Cloud Manager to be extensible to interact with virtually any tool that you might already have. You can download the Agile Cloud Manager for free at agilecloudinstitute.io, and you can hire the Agile Cloud Institute to perform technical support, training, and consulting. You can get more information, and you can contact us through agilecloudinstitute.io.